In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the URL of files uploaded to the Files tool in HubSpot. If you've ever needed to share a reliable link to an image or document, or swap an asset without breaking any existing links, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what to do. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and look for the Content area. From there, open the Files tool. This is your central library for all uploaded assets, images, PDFs, and more. Choose an image or file you want to manage by clicking directly on it. When the file details open, pay attention to the right-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see the section for Access and URLs. This is where HubSpot displays how the file is shared and the direct link you can use. It's helpful to confirm whether the file is publicly accessible or restricted, especially if you plan to share it on a website, in emails, or with external partners. In that same panel, you'll find the file URL by domain. If your account uses multiple domains, you can pick the one you want the link to use. Copying the correct domain-specific URL ensures the link matches your brand and works consistently across your content. Just below, you can review additional details: accessibility, file usage, file history, and general. Accessibility helps you maintain best practices like alt text. File usage shows where the asset appears across your HubSpot content, which is great for understanding impact before making changes. File history tracks past versions. General includes core file properties and is a good spot to confirm basics like file type and size. Now let's replace the image without changing its URL. This is the key to keeping every existing link intact. Click Replace. Choose the new image from your computer, ideally with similar dimensions and format to minimize layout shifts, then click Replace File. HubSpot will upload the new version behind the scenes while preserving the original URL, so pages, emails, and documents referencing that link continue to work. After replacing, give your site a quick refresh to see the update. If a cached version lingers, try a hard refresh or wait a moment as the CDN updates. Finally, revisit the Details panel to confirm the file looks right, the link is unchanged, and the usage list reflects your expectations. That's it. Your file's URL stays stable, your content stays unbroken, and your updates go live smoothly.